Hi guys, it's been a few days since I've done a video. Most of the time I've just been doing screen prints and notes because there wasn't too much cause to do a video on the day. But I had something interesting today that I thought I'd point out in a video and want to just maybe bring some things to your attention that you'll see often in trading and maybe give you some things to think about. First of all, just briefly over the 2-minute chart here on the this is the Russell. That's what I traded today. A little bit of a trickier morning. I did come out positive. I had 4 trades. I actually came out positive 2 ticks out of 4 trades. Not the best. Now, that you're going to have that even when you're trading well. You're going to have losing days, and you're going to have days where you could have done better. I'm going to just briefly discuss my signals here, but not too much in depth, because I think what I did today, or actually the type of trades I've been taking, like I'm going to show you, really warrants having its own video itself. But I did try and take an order here going short with a slingshot type of signal. I missed that order. It didn't feel for me, but I caught it here and made 5 ticks going short on that candle. Again, this is something slightly different than the normal stair step that I'm teaching as a first signal to learn. So I'm going to do a video here probably tomorrow to demonstrate why I'm doing what I'm doing. Now I'm making a little 5-tick trades like that. I made 5 ticks there. I came up here and actually tried to do the same thing at this point as it was going long, breaking from this resistance level, and I ended up getting sucked out. So I took a loss on that one, and where was it? Oh yeah, that it was on the red candle here that I tried to take a loss on, or that I tried to take and took a loss. I actually tried to enter again, going long once more right here, and it just wasn't going to break this resistance level. I had a couple reasons to try and do that. They didn't go my way, and actually, you know what, to be honest, I think I broke even on one of those and lost on one, but ended up, oh, sorry about that. Sorry, buddy, in doing a video. Can't talk now. And then I ended up taking a short right here and making 5 ticks on that. So that worked out all right. Total for me, I ended up being positive 2 ticks, so not the greatest day. The best signal of the day, however, was right here. And I'm just going to point out this was a textbook stair-step trade. I did not take it, and there's a reason why I didn't take it, but I just want to point out first of all, look at how far it ran. Now, if I could have just looked at today the way this market is, I would not recognize the trades that I did take. I would see those as maybe not even being signals after the market had run its course. And the only real trade I see is this stair step signal here. However, there's something that you don't see just in this chart, and that's the 10 o'clock hour had a couple of reports come out, economic reports. This is the one thing that we want to watch out for. 10 o'clock is a magical hour that just seems to have a lot of reports come out. Reports tend to make the market volatile, more volatile than it normally is. People tend to act emotionally with reports, or based off of their expectations, and it causes the market to do things that are less predictable than our normal market conditions. Well, in this instance, the market actually ran our way really well, but this signal led right into the 10 o'clock hour. I've taught most of our students to pass on those. Don't take a trade, even if the signal's leading into the 10 o'clock hour. There are times when I've done that, and generally those times when I've taken a 10 o'clock trade happens to not have reports coming out, or that I know of, on the global newsletter. But when reports are released on that hour, I generally do not take trades. Even if the market runs like it did, you are going to be in for a psychological struggle, wishing that you were in the market, looking at money lost, saying, why didn't I get in? Don't do that to yourself. This is the whole point of today's video. Don't let yourself get frustrated for not taking a signal when you know that you really shouldn't have taken that signal. You will cause yourself so much psychological stress in trading if you do that. You got to be willing to let go of times like this when the market's running. I mean, quite honestly, this could have been over, maybe possibly over 100% on your money, what if you had ridden that all the way through. Um, but look, we're not in it to make those big wins. We're in it to make consistent little bits of profit, and we have to wait for the high probability signals to do that. Consistency is the key, not every so often get on those big wins. If you try and chase those big wins, oftentimes you're going to find yourself losing more than winning. And so I just wanted to throw that out as food for thought today. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and make a video tomorrow and cover some of these little trades, why I was doing what I was doing. Tends to actually work quite well, aside from today. I've been doing I've been really consistent doing what I'm doing. So I'll teach you that tomorrow. And let me know if you have any questions. I will talk to you later.